Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das from CrackZat, and today we are diving into the most important quant topics for the CAT 2024 examination. And this is purely based on the past 4 years of exam weightage. So grab your notebooks and let's get ready to crack this together. Trust me, 2020 से मैंने personal level पे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से analyze किया था for my examination also. So whatever importance or weightage or ranking I'll be giving you, that's surely going to be helpful for all of you who is preparing for the CAT 2024 this year. So let's talk about weightage. You know what they say, work smarter, not harder, and that is completely applicable to the CAT wala exam. Why? Because here you have to focus on the topics that matter the most. And right now, when you're so close to the exam, this way your efforts will be recognized and you won't just be answering random questions like you're answering a game of math bingo, right? So let's talk about the most important part, which is a weightage of 40%. That is none other than arithmetic. This is where the gold lies. Questions on profit and loss, ratios, percentages, time and work, this dominates the entire section, trust me. And if you haven't started studying this yet, what are you waiting for? Start right now. And there's a personal level tip which I'll be sharing with each of the sections. मुझे as a senior समझकर इन tips को सुन लेना, because it really helps a lot. And I hope someone would have helped me during my preparation journey. So for profit and loss, practice calculating the margins, profit margins on the real items. ये मैं कहीं लिख नहीं रही हूँ, तो जो मुझे अच्छे से और ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं, ये उनके लिए है. So profit margin पे थोड़ा काम करो, like how much you save during a sale, stuff like that. These type of questions, real time application is asked a lot. For percentages, work with discount on items you regularly buy. These real life applications make it easier for you not just to understand, but it is also seen in the direct questions as well, direct application. Okay. Next, coming to the topic algebra, weightage goes around 20% for the entire section. Now look out for questions which are not very commonly solved, like logs, equations, sequences. आपको ये पसंद नहीं है, मुझे पता है. But if you can solve these, you will be laughing all the way to the examination hall. I can, guarantee you. Focus on linear equations and quadratic equations first. ये सबसे basic concept है जो आपको algebra में complete करना है. Because with the help of these two concepts, you can solve all the other questions as well. And they are very frequently tested. Try to solve the word problems by translating them into equations. Maths का ना काम ही यही था कि उसको words को numbers में change करना था. तो जिसको ये skill आती है, they will really flourish. So try to translate them properly. This will sharpen your analytical skills also. Moving to the next topic, we have number system. The weightage goes around 15%, where you can master the divisibility rule, the properties of numbers, जितने भी होते हैं ना पावर वाले कॉन्सेप्ट्स और यूनिट टर्म्स वाले, यूनिट डिजिट में क्या आना चाहिए, वो कॉन्सेप्ट. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस रियली क्विकली एंड करेक्टली. तो ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको एक स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन नंबर सिस्टम से ही आएगा. हो सकता है कि DILR के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते वक्त अगर आपको लास्ट डिजिट यानी यूनिट डिजिट वाला थ्योरी पता है, तो उसके हेल्प से आप एक सेकेंड में आंसर एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स रियली हेल्प. And a personal tip from my side would be to work specially on the divisibility rules, everyday scenario wale. Also try to split the bill. These type of questions are very commonly asked, like splitting a bill, dividing number equally, and things like that. This will make the concept stick also if you practice that in real life. Okay. Then coming to geometry, geometry has a similar weightage as number system. That में geometry की weightage थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है CAT से. But talking about CAT specifically, don't let triangles and circles intimidate you. Okay. Geometry is crucial, especially coordinate geometry. Generally लोग थोड़ा पीछे भागते हैं इससे, because उनको लगता है कि इतने सारे formulas हम याद कैसे करेंगे. बट यू डोंट रियलाइज द फैक्ट कि सिर्फ कुछ फॉर्मूलाज याद कर कर आप किसी भी क्वेश्चन को हाफ द वे तक तो आराम से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. और किसी क्वेश्चन को हाफ द वे सॉल्व करने के बाद व्हेन यू टारगेट टू एक्चुअली गेस एन आंसर, then that answer is more of an educated guess, जिसकी probability of getting it right would be much higher. Okay. So for basic geometry, I would suggest you to practice calculating the areas and the perimeters. Okay. Because that is one major type of questions you see. Okay. Last but not the least, आ गया हमारा modern maths, जिसकी weightage तो काफी कम है, but you know what, Fewer questions come from this section, but it is still very important. Make sure you brush up the concepts of permutation, combination and probability, because ये भाई साहब जो है ना, ये quant में जितना important नहीं है, DILR में उससे कहीं ज़्यादा important है. So it's like studying modern maths is going to fetch you a lot of marks in 2 sections directly. और उससे भी बड़ी बात ये है कि generally exam में क्या होता है ना, द एग्जामिनेशन और द क्वेश्चन पेपर सेटर नोज द फैक्ट कि मॉडर्न मैथ्स तक आते आते सबकी हवा टाइट हो जाती है. सो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, generally the questions in modern maths are not above LOD 2 ever. ever. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि LOD 1 और 2 के ऊपर कभी भी कोई भी मॉडर्न मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन गया है जैट में या कैट में. दैट मीन्स दे नो दैट किसी को अगर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी आते हैं ना, तो वो इजीली मार्क्स फेच कर सकता है. एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट गेटिंग दैट +3 गाइज. फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि ये +3 आपको मॉडर्न मैथ से मिले या एल्जेब्रा से मिले. तो इस जगह पे थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ और थोड़ा सा टाइम मॉडर्न मैथ्स को भी दो, ताकि व्हाट लाइक यू नेवर नो व्हाट इफ ये 10% फुल एक्यूरेसी के साथ घुस जाए, है ना. So my aspiring cat champions, if you haven't started studying yet or are just getting warmed up, focus on these topics ranked by their weightage as shown on the screen. Your efforts will surely pay off. I guarantee you. And yes, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to CrackZat, because these kind of tips and strategies with a sprinkle of humor is what you always see on my channel. And I'm most happy when I'm able to help someone. So if you have any personal queries, you can drop it in the comment section. Use Instagram to DM me, or you can connect via Unstop for a session as well. And if you found this video helpful, then do not forget to hit that like button. Most importantly, share it with your study buddies, because that's how the channel will grow, my dear friends. And drop your comments below on what topics you want me to tackle next. Remember, you have got this, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Good luck and see you in the next video. Till then, take care, study hard. Tada!